Hello, Mark Warren here. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about building your learning team as you prepare to start the job instruction training program. Let's start by having you pick your team. Start with selecting 2 people you would like to learn the program with. Some things to think about as you choose the people to be on your team. Diversity in skills and experience will be a plus for the team. You should choose people you respect as peers. They are people that want to learn new skills. They will feel comfortable enough to provide honest feedback, and they can devote the time and energy to learning the materials. While you can review the online course material independently, the practice exercises are developed to be done together. This is where you get valuable feedback and share your lessons learned. Did they see something that you missed? You might wonder why a small team and not individual self-paced learning. In a team environment, you can help each other learn, you can help each other practice, and you're more likely to sustain the learning process in a group. Want to know more? Here's the inspiration for forming small teams. Once you have your team defined, it's time to begin to work out some details. For starters, the team should commit to sessions that are about an hour long, 2 or 3 times a week, to develop the skills. As you progress, the meetings may be reduced. However, you might find the progress is worth the time commitment. In the beginning, the focus must be on mastering the patterns, the learning sequence. The content skills will come later. Support materials useful for learning the job instruction skills. We will have forms available online, both blanks and samples. Most of the exercises will consist of observing and taking notes, sometimes filling in the forms. Your powers of observation and thinking are most important. Having a whiteboard or its equivalent will be useful in the team learning process. It's a place to think out loud and reflect on your observations. A smartphone will also be useful. It can be a temptation to try to deliver a dramatic success on the first job instruction project. Focus on learning the patterns first. Select your initial work area, a small section to practice with, or a department, or even a single process. The first project should be something easy, an immediate need. The beginning level should consist of picking the low-hanging fruit, as practice to hone your skills first before taking on the more difficult. Once you have developed your skills a bit and gained confidence, then it's time to address the weak points or bottlenecks in your system. So, let's get started building your first training timetable. See you on the shop floor.